Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see on how I style one shirt in 5 different ways. Now few ideas will be common while few of them will be crazy idea that I came up with. So let's get started.
Okay, so the first look is this casual look that I created. I unbuttoned the two buttons from down. I tucked one side inside and left the other one outside. And that's how I created a funky casual look. The second look I created is this formal look. This is the most common look that you can create from a shirt. I wore these formal pants to give this a formal look and added a simple single chain jewelry as an accessory. The next look is a kind of party look which I created as an off shoulder. I unbuttoned two buttons and pulled it down the shoulder and also tied a knot from down and paired it up with a simple black skirt. I also used a 2-layer silver chain as an accessory. For this look, you can actually use the shirt as an overlay or as a jacket or as a shrug. I actually wore a bralette with silver jewelry. I love silver jewelry. And the shirt, I used it as a jacket. Now this one is a crazy one. I actually turned the shirt into a crop top. I unbuttoned two buttons from down, tied a knot at one side and also at the other side and pulled it inside. You can pull it however length you want and I did the same thing to the back side.
So yeah, that's how I styled one shirt in 5 different ways. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also special thanks to Haridas who shot this video, and he's also a great stylist by the way. So yeah, thank you for watching.